Hey everyone, welcome to the Daily Crypto Vision. My name is Jan Robert Schut of Crypto Academy, and here you see the market moving higher, zooming higher. Ethereum is a big plus with more than 11% higher today, XRP 7% higher, but not above 30 cents. And Bitcoin number one, of course, of the leader of the pack, 10,306, and it touched even 10,400, 10,500. BTC dominance is now ticking down again, and it means that alts are outperforming. That's quite amazing. And also Tezos is more than 50% higher this year, and it's now trading at 3.24. It will also be a crypto trade of the day. And on Cointelegraph, I see some news about the Egyptian National Bank, which is turning to blockchain to boost remittances businesses. And the National Bank of Egypt has signed a cooperation agreement with Ripple to establish new channels for inward remittances, according to a report of yesterday from local daily news site Yom 7. The agreement reportedly makes the National Bank the country's first to venture into the blockchain sector. Remittances, an almost 600 billion global market, the global remittance market, referring to the money or goods that migrants send back to family and friends in their home countries, is expected to reach 597 billion in 2020, according to data from the World Bank. And Egypt was projected to be the fifth highest remittance recipient country worldwide in 2019, with a whopping $26.4 billion, following suit India, China, Mexico, and the Philippines. And by joining the Ripple network, which includes over 300 international banks and institutions, the National Bank ostensibly hopes to access new markets and to support and extend its remittance business in the Gulf region in particular. National Bank Chair Dayla El-Bas said he expects RippleNet to grow exponentially and to thus provide a boost to the institution's liquidity management and foreign currency earrings. Okay, that's quite interesting. And if you take a look at Bitcoin, and this Bitcoin Cash actually, Bitcoin, it has been moving higher and touched this weekly base with the trade navigator still on a buy at around 8,900 more or less, and now trading 10,350, and the peak of 21st of October has been touched and challenged, 10,540, and 11,000 is the next real number, fixed number, and round number. I don't expect to move that fast, but the market is quite crazy. But anyway, I switched on to the Bitcoin Cash. A little bit late maybe, but anyway, better late than never. Anyway, on 240, 280, it has been signaled a buy by the trade navigator. Now 472, 475 I bought on BBOD. And if you take a look at the chart, there we see it has been trading much higher in the early days, with a peak of even 4,000 in one time. On BBOD, small position I took a small position on BCH of $150, and it's around 47.35 entry price. Now it's trading a little bit lower, almost $1 lower. It doesn't matter, it's all in the game. And if you would like to see more, go to cryptoacademy.nl and go to our social media channels. Hasta la vista.